Many families struggle, not because they don't try Vothwaith, but because they lack clear guidance. At Safegard Credit Repair, we provide structured credit repair counseling not guesswork.
We help you understand how credit works, what lenders look for, and how to improve strategically.
Every client receives a personalized action plan designed for long-term financial strength.
We challenge inaccurate reporting while guiding you towards stronger credit habits.
Safegard Credit Repair. Dispute. Repair. Restore.